Meaning of flexor muscle.
Flexor muscle.
Flexor muscle.
Flexor muscle.
Flexor muscle. A flexor muscle is a type of skeletal muscle that is responsible for flexing or bending a joint. Flexor muscles work in opposition to extensor muscles, which are responsible for extending or straightening a joint. In the human body, there are many different types of flexor muscles, including those in the fingers, forearm, and thigh. These muscles are essential for performing a wide variety of physical activities, including gripping objects, walking, and running. Without flexor muscles, it would be impossible to move our bodies in the complex ways that we do.